Just Lauren Whitney joining us now. It looks nice out there right now, but you've been talking about some changes, at least for tomorrow, too.
Yeah, tomorrow's the big day where we're worried. Today, kind of general run-of-the-mill afternoon thunderstorms. Let's take a look at what's going on outside for us, because tomorrow, here's why we have a first alert weather day coming our way. We have a red flag warning for the western side of the state, parts of the high country, and then today, this is where it gets complicated sometimes with these graphics, because out in the eastern plains today, for Yuma, Kit Carson, and Cheyenne counties, we do have a red flag warning in place today. We also have this one in place for tomorrow, and then out on the eastern plains again tomorrow. So a fire danger high on the eastern plains today with the wind increasing and of course low humidity and warm temperatures. Tomorrow we have a fire weather watch for parts of the northern mountains into the southern foothills and then all of eastern Colorado, and then this will change to a red flag warning at some point today when the National Weather Service triggers that. So these will be red tomorrow. That's why we have a first alert weather day. We have gusty wind, low relative humidity, we have dry conditions out there and hot temperatures. So tomorrow we head back into the 90s. So this is why we have those that first alert weather day coming our way tomorrow. So what we're watching here in the first alert weather, the weather center, scattered thunderstorm chances today, which we'll talk about in a minute. Tomorrow's a first alert weather day with a high fire danger, and it's a huge football weekend in Colorado. So we'll talk about that as well now that we're winding down toward the weekend, at least that hump day. 80 in Denver right now, 82 in Boulder, mid to upper 80s out on the eastern plains, 63 in Frisco, 69 in Avon, 77 over in Grand Junction, 74 from our weather watcher Larry Geoke, who lives out in Brush. And as we check in with our temperatures today, 87 in Denver, 85 in Boulder, low 90s out east, 60s, 70s in the high country. And then across the Front Range, you find a lot of mid to upper 80s, 87 in Aurora, 88 downtown, 86 in Centennial, into Douglas County, 84 in Castle Rock, 82 in Castle Pines. And as we zoom on into your neighborhood, Plum Creek in the Castle Pines area, sunny with some clouds, and we do have a chance for some afternoon thunderstorms. Right now, stormy weather, mostly in the high country, moving into parts of Larimer County. As we zoom on in, you can see this is where most of the action is right now. So as we look at our Super 7-day forecast, we're heading to 92 tomorrow. It's hot, it's dry. We don't expect any rain, unfortunately, because it is going to be such an intense day with that with the wind and the heat. So fire danger extremely high. But then behind that, we're cooling off to 83 degrees. It's also going to get very smoky tomorrow. There's some wildfires in southern California, up at Idaho, that's heading our way. And then we'll be seeing temperatures in the mid 80s throughout the weekend for all those football games.